Good morning, guys. Yeah, the time now is already 12 o'clock. 10 minutes to 12 o'clock. And I am day off today, so yeah, we are free to do anything. Yeah, actually, I am going to organize the house. A lot of things on the table. Yeah, really messy. But I am going out first. We maybe are going to eat in a KFC. Yeah, and I'm now here in the Salamander Bay. Yeah, the company is Parks on the Go, auto electrician. So basically, I came here to inquire about the dual battery system installation. They are busy, they are working there. But the guy asked me to, he asked me to bring the car over there. Okay, so yeah, Mr. Steve said that it will cost me, the quality one will be about $3,000. Yeah, I can't afford that. But he said that I can run a fridge for up to 6 days with that battery system. And then the other one is the about 1,600. We're going to check the new Aldi. Yeah, they opened last week. So this is the Aldi. Amazing. Yeah, there are so many cars. For sure, most of these cars are also just looking. Okay, we are here. Oh, just now I noticed that most of the car park here are for those person with disabilities. But okay, so it's okay. This tree doesn't have a sign. I thought I parked in the wrong place. Here in Australia, they don't call it PWD, disabled instead, not PWD. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, they have a bigger place, of course, so a lot of stocks. Yeah, nice. The same setup, but they have bigger, more space. Oh, I'm going to get this one. Mini chopper, and it's just $2.99. Let's try this expensive salted caramels. Yeah, this one. And you know, this is made in Ireland. So this is how it is. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, nice. Look at that. There is a salt. So this is a white chocolate. Very tasty, very sweet. And I took one of the white one, the salt, I think. Yeah, it's salt. It's actual salt, rock salt. It one more. Yeah, this time the black, the dark chocolate. Yeah, this is the actual rock salt, actually. Yeah, in case you don't know, I'm still recording my driving. The time, the mileage, the range. And I'm going to buy something from KFC. And then we're going to eat in the park. It's a feeling all along since the day that you were gone. Why did you leave me so late? In my heart you were the only, and the memory lives on. Why did you leave me so late? Walking down the street at night, when the world are young and free.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Original tenders box,
Yeah, large.
regular,
And the drink?
Pepsi.
Yeah, well, beer.
Yeah, that's one.
Drive on through.
Good.
Just the tenders box?
Yeah.
Do you have any sauces for that one?
No, it's alright. Thank you very much. Rainy day. Okay, we are here. Yeah, I'm very hungry. This is the usual one that they always order. The original tenders box. It comes with 3 pieces of this. Yeah. And also comes with this, which is also a chicken. Also comes with the hot, what's this? The potato one. And mashed potato and gravy and the chips. While I'm here, I'm also going to open this. I think this is good because yeah, I don't need to use the knife and the chopping board. So basically, you put the blade, you put the onion or garlic or anything, put the lid, lock it, then so this one, instead of blade, put this one. Maybe this one is just for blending. I actually fall asleep here, and the time now, it is now already 5:34, and actually there was a rain. Suddenly there was a rain. Oh, I forgot to record, but the sunset just finished. Yeah, and the people, there are actually people gatherings here a while ago. And just now I got home. It is already 8:15. Outside is still yeah, like at twilight. And I'm preparing my dinner. It's going to be this sausage. I am boiling it. Yeah, and then fry it later because this is frozen. Yeah, and reheating the rice. And I will see you tomorrow. I just pick it from the front yard. Oh, this is the very first time that I'm going to use this chopping machine. Nice, it's look at this, it's chopped. The time now is almost 5 o'clock. I'm actually going to Newcastle later. I'm going to pick up the Insta360. Yeah, it's about 3 months of prepare. And today I was really very frustrated. Yeah, since morning I was looking for roof pad and then dust cam. Yeah, I have been browsing in the internet and I can't find the things that I like. But because of course I'm looking for the cheap one but good one, and things like that is difficult. And so I feel frustrated, and then I said, oh, I know, I stop. I don't want to do this anymore. Yeah, and so what I did is I cleaned the floor. I somehow organized this thing here. Yeah, put the box there. Clean the car. And it's myself not to think about that dashcam or a roof pad or roof rack. Yeah, because I want to put another dashcam on the side, on the window of the car. I don't know why I like. I feel like spending money for the car is never ending. Yeah, but yeah, I managed to stop it, to control it, and hopefully I'm not going to think about it tomorrow or in the coming days. Yeah. Oh, it's getting hot now. We have to do this. To be honest, yeah, this is not the way of cooking this sweet potato leaves. I forgot how to cook this. Actually, what I remember is that my parents, they are just putting it on top of the rice. After cooking the rice, they are usually just putting it in here. Inside, on top of the rice, it's like steaming. Yeah, but I don't remember what exactly they are putting after that. Maybe soy sauce or like calamansi or citrus or lemon. Yeah, in the Philippines, lemon is expensive, so we are using calamansi. It's a tiny citrus, but with a lot of juice. The juice that comes out to that small citrus is similar to the lemon. Yeah, and I don't know if this is good or bad, but yeah, sweet potato leaves. And I noticed that the juice is not red. And do you know that sweet potato leaves is already yeah, so basically the landscaper, yeah, they clean already. They remove all the sweet potato there. Yeah. And they thought it's not going to grow, but after a few days the sweet potato started to sprout again. And now I have this.